Pandas, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally means parentheses first. So whenever you see parentheses in a problem, you have to do them first. And then you should just maybe write the answer up there above it to help remind you. And then you can do excuse for exponents. And then it's like right there. And then you take that, just multiply them. Multiply 6 times 6 if it was that. Or 6 times 6 if it was the second power. And then you do my dear, and then which means multiplication and divide. So that's right there and right there.
Do we work from right to left or left to right?
From left to right.
Okay.
So let me multiply those two. And then there are no divisions, so we just skip it.
Okay.
And then we do Aunt Sally, which is add and subtract, which is right here and there.
Okay.
And then when we do that, then we go left to right when we're done.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Let's go over and do some problems.
All right. So for number 1, we have to take 4 times 6 because it's multiplication. Well, wait, never mind. You have to find parentheses, but there are none. So then we have to we have to look for exponents, but there are none either. And then we look for multiplication and then division. And there
Left to right.
Yeah,
Okay,
left to
good.
right. And then you do 4 times 6, which is 24.
Okay.
And then you have to look for addition and subtraction. And those right there. So we have to do 24 plus 3, which is 27.
Good. Okay. Next
And
problem.
then we're gonna do this. We have to look for parentheses, but there are no parentheses. And then you look for division and multiplication, and there is both of them. So then you work left to right because they're the same. Well, and yeah. So then 24 divided by 6 is 4, and then 4 times 4 is 16.
Good.
And then we're gonna do 7.
Okay.
We're gonna change the subtraction symbols to addition. So
Good.
I do that, and that.
As long as we then do the opposite though, we have to add the
Yeah.
opposite on all of
And then
those.
add the
so
opposite.
Put negatives in front of those.
So then these will be
Right here,
negative.
put a negative.
Oh yeah.
Put a negative in front of 23. Put a negative in front of 5. There we go. Now we can do.
And then we bring it down here so it's easier to see.
Good. Plus
There we go.
negative
Plus
23
3,
plus a negative
negative 17.
Okay.
All right. 7 plus negative 5 is 2. Positive 2.
Right underneath. There you
So
go.
right underneath. And then we do 2 plus 13, which is 15. And then we have to take 15 plus negative 23, which would be negative, is it negative 8?
Negative 8, yeah. Good.
And then negative 8, and then
Plus negative
plus
17.
negative 17, so that would be negative 25.
Negative 25. Good, Zach. Any others you want to show us?
The next page a little bit.
Okay.
Let's do number 11. So we have to look for parentheses, but there are none. So then now we have to look for exponents,
Okay.
and there are exponents right here.
Yep. 10 to the negative 1 power is.
Is it negative 1?
Nope,
Or
it's gonna, remember
right.
we moved the decimal point left because it's negative, and 1 time, so it'd be, we always start at 1, and it's gonna be 1/10.
Oh yeah.
1/10.
So you have 1/10 right there.
Yep, let's put in a decimal.
Oh yeah,
though.
decimal.
0.1.
That's
1/10.
0.1.
Good.
And then we have to do
Multiplication, right?
multiplication and division. We see multiplication, but there's no division. So then we do 0.5 times 12, which would be
Half of 12.
wait, 6.
Good.
And now we have addition and subtraction, and they're both right there. So we do 1 plus 16 is 17. We have to do left to right.
1/10.
Oh yeah,
1/10 plus
1/10.
16. Okay.
Which is it
16.1
oh yeah, 16.1
minus 6
And I
to
have to-
finish us out.
would be 10 or 10.1.
Good job.